Hi guys, this is Srinivas once again for you. Working as assistant professor in Python PG courses. Today I am going to teach you a very important concept as far as our differentiation is concerned. That is the part of our differentiation, that is Bernoulli's equation. These problems are very useful in degree and for BTech also, especially for the first years. These act as a very crucial role as far as examinations are concerned. So we will move on to the session, that is we are going to solve this problem, that is x into dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube into y power 6. If we are going to see here, we have x cube into y power 6 means sure this is going to be one of the best example for the Bernoulli's equation. So before that, first what we have to do is, first we have to divide this entire equation with xy. We have to divide the entire data with x only. Why? Because the coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. Further later I am going to divide the entire equations with x, so that is dy by dx plus y by x equal to x square into y power 6. Obviously, when I am going to divide with x cube and x cancel, x square will be there. So that is this is in the form of the Bernoulli's equation, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n. Dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n. If you are going to compare these two, where the value of p is 1 by x, the value of q is x square, and the value of y power n is y power 6. So this is all about the notation for Bernoulli's equation. After this, we have to divide this equation by using y power n. So without loss of generality, I am going to divide this entire equation 1 with y power 6. When I am going to divide with this equation, that is 1 by y power 6 into dy by dx plus 1 by y power 6 into y by x, that equal to x square into y power 6 by y power 6. So these two gets cancelled and 5 will be there. So which implies 1 by y power 6 into dy by dx plus 1 by y power 5 into 1 by x equal to x square. Now we have to take some sort of substitution method. Let 1 by y power 5 equal to u, for example. Now differentiate with respect to x. So the value will be y power minus 5, that is minus 5 into y power minus 6 into dy by dx equal to du by dx. So 1 by x can be written x power minus 1, that x power minus n is n into x power n minus 1. The same way y power minus 1 can be written as minus 5 into y power minus 5 minus 1, that is y power minus. So this can be written as minus 5 by y power 6 times of dy by dx equal to du by dx. Now my aim is to find this entire data, 1 by y power 6 into dy by dx. So this value can be written as simply 1 by y power 6 into dy by dx equal to, here we have minus 1 by 5 times of du by dx. Now I am going to substitute these values in this. So this is all about equation 2. Now this is all about equation 3 for an example. Now I am going to substitute the values of this value in equation 2. Now I am going to substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Okay guys, now I am going to substitute the equation 3 in equation 2. So that is, now I am going to substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So which implies, all of you, the value what we have obtained, that is 1 by y power 6 into dy by dx. So the value is minus 1 by 5 times of du by dx plus 1 by y power 5 value is u. So plus u into 1 by x, that is u by x equal to x square. If you are going to observe this is also again we have a coefficient of du by dx. So without loss of generality, we have to make this value as 1. Yeah, that's why I am going to multiply this entire data with minus 5. If I am going to multiply with minus 5, then the coefficient will be 1, that is du by dx. The coefficient will be 1 minus 5u by x equal to minus 5x square. This is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Simply we can say that it's a linear equation. So make it a word all of you. When we are going to solve a Bernoulli's equation, again we will get a in the form of linear equation notation. So that is the integral factor I of equal to e power integral p dx. That equal to integral, that is e power integral. The value of p is minus 5 by x dx. So that is e power minus 5 times of integral 1 by x is log x. So this can be written as e power minus, so that is log x power minus 5. That is log x power can be written as n log x. So exponential and log gets cancelled. That is x power minus 5. This can be written as 1 by x power 5. These are about the integral factor. So it means all of you, when we are going to solve a Bernoulli's equation, finally we will get in the form of linear equation. So for the linear equation, we have our notation is u into if equal to integral q into if dx. For example, if it is the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, then it should be y into if equal to integral q into if dx. If this is in the form of du by dx plus pu equal to q, yeah, that's why in place of y you have to consider u. Clear? So which implies u as usual into, yeah, what is the integral factor we got? The integral factor is 1 by x power 5 equal to integral, yeah, what is q? Q means minus 5x square into, again the integral factor is 1 by x power 5 into dx. But what is u? So we consider u as 1 by y power 5 in the first step into 1 by x power 5 equal to minus as common, that is x square. We have 3 terms, so minus 5 taken out from the integral 1 by x cube dx. So that is minus 5 integral x power minus 3 dx. That is minus 5 times of x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. Got a minus 5 times of x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. That is minus 5 into x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. So minus and minus gets cancelled. That equal to 5 by 2 into x power minus 2 can be written as 1 by x square plus c. This is all about 1 by x power 5 into y power 5. This is all about the solution for the given differential equation in terms of Bernoulli's equation. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.